Hello friends, today I am going to discuss the common errors which most of you make while speaking English. Let us discuss this. Whenever we speak English, some errors are there which we can easily avoid. इसे आप नहीं बोलोगे तब आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी और सही हो जाएगी. Let's start. I am having two brothers. ये wrong है. You can't speak like this. Whenever you possess something, you will not say having. The correct sentence is I have two brothers. किसी चीज को हम possess करते हैं तो वो having ये avoid करेंगे. Second mistake. He do not know. This is wrong. Whenever you use singular, you should use does. He does not know. She does not know. Does goes with the singular. So please try to avoid do when you use he, she or any singular names. For example, he does not understand, she does not like it. These are the correct form of sentences. He come yesterday. This is the third mistake which most of you do. Come. The present form does not go with yesterday because yesterday itself shows it's a past form. जो कल बीत गया वो already एक भूतकाल बन चुका है. So yesterday is a past tense. So he come yesterday? No. He came yesterday. I went yesterday. I called yesterday. These are the correct form of sentences. Fourth mistake. When we introduce ourselves, we say myself Sonu. This is wrong. The correct form is I am Sonu or my name is Sonu. So try to avoid to introduce yourself with myself. This is incorrect. Fifth mistake. When someone said that let's discuss about the topic. This is incorrect. Know about after discuss. Let's discuss this. Let's discuss the topic. Know about is used after discuss. Sixth mistake. When someone says return back, back is not used after return. Back is actually not needed whenever you use return. Return itself signifies back. Return my book. I will return tomorrow. These are the correct sentences. I will return back tomorrow. Incorrect. So I emphasize on the fact that don't use back once you used return because return itself signifies back. Seventh mistake. Order for tea. Order for coffee. Incorrect. Correct form is I ordered tea. I ordered coffee. This for is not required. Eighth mistake. More better. Incorrect. You will say better. Better itself signifies more good. So something is more good, it means better. So you don't need to say more better. This is better. This is better English. Already better means more than good. It's a comparative form of adjective. So you don't need to use more over there. Ninth mistake. He is knowing me. ING will not go with know. He knows me or he knew me. ING is not required with know. I know him. She knows English. These are the correct form of sentences. 10th mistake. I didn't understood. This is incorrect. You can always say I didn't understand. After did, use the base form of verb. That is the first form of verb. Verb is always used in present tense after did because did itself is a past form. I didn't go, I didn't see. Most of the people say that I didn't saw you. This is incorrect. The correct form of English is I didn't see you. With didn't, always the base form will go. I'm sure by avoiding these mistakes, you can really speak like a native speaker. Speaking English, flawless English, just follow Sonu Ma'am's channel. Jai Hind.